How to draw a Hawaiian Minion, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing our Hawaiian Minion, we're going to go ahead and draw a circle right here towards the center of our page. And the minion that we draw today will only have one eye. That's why we're only going to draw one circle, because he's only going to need one eyeglass lens. Now we will draw a second seal-like shape, connected to the one that we just drew, but facing the other way. Now around that circle that we just drew together, we're going to draw a second bigger circle on the outside that will be the outline. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials every single day, so if you're looking for a new community to draw with, then you're in the right place. Now, on the inside of the smaller circle that we first drew together, we're going to draw two curvy lines for the eye. Now on the lower line, we're going to draw the actual pupil and the iris itself, so we're just going to make a seal-like shape right here with a smaller black circle on the inside of it. Nice! Now we have our eyeglass along with our eye drawn. Now on the outsides of the bigger circle, right here on the right hand side, we're going to draw a skinny oval-like shape going up and down. We'll do this on both sides. So it will appear as if this eyeglass is attached around the head of our minion, so we're going to go ahead and extend the sides, starting from these oval-like shapes that we previously drew. And once we do one side, let's go ahead and do the exact same thing to the other. And keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so that you have a moment or two to catch up. Nice, we're making great progress. Now to draw the top of the head, we're just going to use a big curved line to connect the left side all the way over to the right. Let's add in some hair on the very top center of the head. You can add in as many or little pieces of hair that you like, and they'll be going in all different directions and they'll all be slightly curved. Now if you're all done, let's continue. If not, pause the video here. Now we're going to draw the mouth of our minion right beneath the eye in the center by drawing a sideways C pointing upwards. Now connected to the sides of the eyeglass, we're going to draw lines that look similar to curvy L's. Let's go ahead and begin right here on the right hand side. This will be the beginning of the arms of our minion. When we draw the arms of our minion, it will appear as if they are on his hip. And we'll do the exact same thing to the left hand side. Now beneath those lines that we just drew, let's go ahead and draw a straight line going down. This will be the lower part of the body, and this will be where the minion's hands appear to be resting on his hip. Now moving over a little bit towards the right, we're going to draw the first arm as well as hand of our minion. We're going to begin on this top point of this line, and we're going to make a small curve. Now from the end point of that curve, we're going to draw a line that will connect it to the first line that we drew. Nice! Now we're going to extend the arm down from that point right above. Now to draw the hand on the hip, we can just use a simple curved line connecting from this line to the line that we just drew. Well done. That was one of the more difficult parts of today's drawing. If you were able to do that, then you should be able to finish the rest with no problem. Now let's move over to the left hand side and do the exact same thing that we just did on the right. Now for the lower body of our minion, we're going to draw a seaweed bathing suit. For the first few pieces, I'm going to go slow so that you can use my pieces as an example to make your pieces, but then I'll speed up just a little bit because it's kind of repetitive. And don't forget that at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Nice! Now I'm going to speed this part up. You can still use a piece as an example, you might just have to pause the video for a moment. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like because I really appreciate it. It helps us continue to grow our drawing community to add more people like you every single day. Now after just a couple more pieces, we can draw one more row of seaweed, then we'll be able to move on to the next step before we color. The next step will be to draw the feet. Now right beneath our bathing suit and connected, we're going to draw the feet and legs. We're going to begin on the left hand side, and each foot should have a total of 3 toes. Well done! Now let's do one more foot on the right hand side. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. I hope your drawing turned out great. Don't forget that we upload every single day, so if you're looking for a new community to draw with, then you're in the right place. And if you enjoyed today's video, give it a big like. And don't forget to stick around so we can color our drawing together. Great job today, and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time! Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. If you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.